Welcome to this comprehensive overview of ProBit Global, a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform designed for traders and crypto enthusiasts worldwide. If you're new to the world of crypto or looking to maximize your trading and staking experience, ProBit Global has you covered with an intuitive interface, robust security features, and a diverse range of supported cryptocurrencies. To get started, visit the ProBit Global homepage, where you'll find a sleek and user-friendly dashboard tailored for beginners and experienced traders alike. After creating your account, you can access a range of features, including spot trading, staking, and various promotional events. ProBit supports over 500 tokens, offering ample opportunities to diversify your portfolio with popular and emerging cryptocurrencies. Before diving into trading, ensure you completed the identity verification process. This step is essential for unlocking higher withdrawal limits and accessing full platform features. Once verified, navigate to the Wallet section to deposit funds into your account. ProBit supports a wide range of deposit methods, including crypto-to-crypto transfers and fiat gateways for certain currencies. Explore the trading section to see live market data, charts, and order book details. Whether you're a seasoned trader using advanced order types or a beginner relying on market orders, ProBit provides the tools you need to execute your strategy seamlessly. Interested in passive income? Check out the staking options available on ProBit, where you can lock up your tokens to earn competitive annual yields. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Be sure to take advantage of the promotional campaigns on ProBit, such as airdrops, referral bonuses, and trading competitions. These offers are perfect for enhancing your earnings and exploring new crypto projects. For new users, signing up through our exclusive link https://lnk.do/jkukoif ensures you'll receive a bonus to kickstart your trading experience. Enjoy secure trading with ProBit Global's advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication and cold wallet storage for most assets. These measures ensure your funds remain safe and protected. ProBit is continuously innovating, introducing new tokens and features that cater to the dynamic crypto landscape. Subscribe to this channel for more crypto insights, tutorials, and updates. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends to spread the word about ProBit Global.